In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account to your Fiverr account. Now, I'm assuming you already created a Fiverr account, and once you're done with that, all we need to do is we need to go to the top right and then select on our profile picture just like so. Then, all you want to do is you want to select on this option that says billing and payments. Once you're done with that, you will now get a screen that looks like this, and over here it will give you a history of your past transactions. But in order to add a bank account, all you want to do is you want to go to this tab that says payment methods, and then from here you guys can go ahead and add a credit card or a PayPal account, which can then be connected to your bank account. So all you got to do is press on add a payment method, and then from here select on whichever one is more convenient for you. So for example, let's go ahead and actually add a debit card really quickly. It's going to make us do like a captcha. So all you need to do is just do that really quickly. And then you need to go ahead and put in your card information, or alternatively, you can go ahead and use PayPal, but then you would need to go ahead and log into PayPal. And through PayPal, you could pay using your bank account or your debit card as well. So it's really good that Fiverr gives you multiple different options. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.